So as you can see, we are approaching the Throggs Neck Bridge, which opened in 1961. Yeah, that's a long time. And it's a 1,800 foot production which connects the Bronx to Queens. And Throggs Neck is a narrow spit of land in the southeastern part of the Bronx. And the name Throggs Neck comes from British settler John Throckmorton, who established his colony in this area in 1643. Not sure what this is. Looks kind of like an anchor of sorts. Is it? Go this way. And this is obviously, as you can see, Maritime College. Well, as you guys can see, this is definitely a different part of the Bronx. Beautiful. This looks like a propeller, I guess, from the boat. Pretty cool. So this is a nice place for you to take a walk by yourself, with a friend, with your boo, with your kids. Just enjoy a nice summer day. Bring water. Maybe wear a hat because it is hot. But you can have a relaxing walk. And now you're on the soccer field. This is open. Get a nice little view, closer view of the sailboats. And as you can see over here, we'll be directly under the bridge, which is pretty awesome. It doesn't feel like we're in the Bronx right now, huh? Especially with these little white cottage type looking houses. Wow. I can already hear the cars and trucks above the bridge. So here we are. Wow. This is so cool. I, for some reason, like to touch structures. This is crazy. It's holding the bridge up. things like that are incredible to me. Like, for mankind to build something like this, wow. I don't know about you guys, but I really needed this little walk to clear my mind. So I would highly recommend it. Alright guys, right now I'm in Edgewater Park in Throggs Neck, and we are approaching, there's not much around here in this I guess you could say community, meaning not much of stores and stuff, so they have their own little grocery store right here. So I wanted to show you that. And the bus stop is right here, the BX8 BXM9. This is the deli. Pretty cool. So the reason why we're seeing so many flags is because recently it was Flag Day of America, so of course everybody's putting out. Oh my gosh, look at these little houses. They're like incredible. Look at this little cottage. I feel like I'm seeing Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs houses or something. Looks like a set of a movie. This doesn't look real. It's like a maze. Take a little walk at the edge of the water so you can see some more houses. They have a great view. But I do wonder what it is like when there's a storm. Look at this. I love when people put work into their, and make it their own. You see the different touches. You can see kids playing in the distance. They must have a great time. They're right by the water. And you can walk further down get closer to the water. Maybe have a little beach chair here or something and just meditate. Wow. We got a little visitor. Hey, kitty. Hi. I'm sorry I don't have no food for you. But you look like a really pretty cat. You actually look friendly. I almost want to pet you, but I'm scared. Oh, what are you? You giving a show for the camera. Kitty, 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 kitty.
I like your cat.
Oh, that's Andy's cat. Andy lives next door.
Oh, wow.
They don't like you. They don't like you.
Look at these green rocks. This looks pretty interesting. Green steps. A lot of seashells. This looks like a wagon home. Pretty different, interesting. And this is all glass. I kind of like it. Well, not all glass, but look at this little house. So cool. And this glass house with the lion statues right there and there. Oh, I love these little hidden passageways. They're so dope. It's like, where are you gonna end up next?
He had another picture of himself that he hangs up. So when you go there, she goes,
This is the basketball court area. And this is the park area. It's really nice.